because in love marriage, the, both girl and boy know each other, and as compared to arranged marriage, in arranged marriage, family decide the which family decide boy's family decide to which girl he has to marry, and but in love marriage, the boy choose girl and he know all the things about the girl before marriage.
Okay, you have to give 1 point at one go. Okay, so he holds very good opinion because whole life you have to spend with your spouse. Spouse, you understand? I will tell you the meaning of this. You whole life you have to spend with a girl or a boy. So you must be familiar with him or her. That's why love marriage is better. Okay. Would you like to counter him or would you like to say something about arranged marriages? I think arranged marriages.
So after love marriage, many problems in their lives, and no help anyone.
Well done. He had said very well, means in the love marriage, means your family members are always in opposition. It means they do not allow you. If you go against their wish, so they never stand for you. They never stand for you and you feel alone. So what is the use of that marriage where you are not with your family? It means you get married because you want a new family or you want a girl in your family. But in the love marriage they do not allow and you have to live alone with that girl. So you do not get that happiness of marriage. You do not get happiness of the family. Yes, beta.
But we can create happiness ourselves.
Yeah.
We make a new, when we go anywhere, we make a new family, we have a new neighbor, we have a chance to choose a society with our choice.
Better today everything is possible. You find that nowadays we have got societies and the apartments you can settle there. You will find new people there. You will find new locality. It means for the wish of your parents or for the wish of your family, you cannot ruin your life. So if they do not allow you, so you can settle outside, you can settle anywhere. So you will find people. People will support you. Okay. New neighbors means new neighbors will be there, and girl family is also there. They will also support you. So it is better. It is better without family, but not with the girl or the boy whom do you don't know. Okay. So what is your opinion?
In arranged marriage, not meet only two people, but meet only two people, but nahi two family.
Well done, but it is very great point. Elaborate this.
In arranged marriage, two people are not with.
It is not a relation of two people, but the relation of two families. Well done, clap for that. Okay, means what is the meaning of the marriage? The meaning of marriage is happiness. If you find in the dictionary, what is the meaning of merry making? Merry making means khushiyan manana. Okay, so marriage means happiness. If you are not happy, your family is not happy, then there is no marriage. This is only a agreement between a boy and a girl. And she had said very well, in India we are the traditional people. We are the people who are deeply connected with the society. Is it true or not? So it means it is not a relation of a boy and a girl, it is a relation of the two families. Many traditions are exchanged, many things are exchanged. So you find that there is merrymaking everywhere. There is merrymaking everywhere in the marriage. So without the parents, without their choice, that happiness will not come. Okay, if that happiness will not come, so that happiness will not come in your life also. So it is better to follow your parents than to follow a girl. Okay, what would you like to say, Vita? Yes.
Love marriage is also support intercaste marriage because casteism is
Clap for me.
in India casteism is increasing day by day and intercaste marriage can stop it. And when two people love and they from different caste and when they marry it decrease casteism.
Okay, he has raised a very good point. Means in the Indian society, casteism is there. It means you have to marry in a particular caste. So we are in the trap of casteism, in the trap of the communalism. It means we are just following a path, and this path may not be good. This path may not be good. Means how long will we carry these traditions? These traditions are obsolete. Suppose there is a Brahmin girl and the boy is a Jat. It means they are not allowed to marry as per the tradition of Indian society. But they love each other, they have a good understanding. I think there should not be any problem. So these love marriages can be a tool to eradicate all these things, and our society can purify by these things. Okay, beta, what would you like to say?
Arranged marriage, it was very good because arranged marriage choose our parents, and our parents are mature, and they were suggested in good people for him, for her.
Yes, she has also raised a very good question, or you can say she has raised a very good point. It means the girl or the boy is decided by our parents, and these parents have lot of experience. In Hindi you must have heard उन्होंने सूर्य को कितनी बार उगते देखा है. In Hindi there is also a saying. हिंदी में कहावत है कि तुमने जितना पानी नहीं पिया उतना नमक खा लिया. Got it? So it means they have lot of experience, and with the help of that experience they choose a right match. So we should follow our parents. You find that in the arranged marriages, what is the success ratio? The success ratio of the arranged marriages is more than love marriages. The reason behind this, because parents know beauty is one thing. Beauty is one thing. The boy is handsome, good, but apart from it, to live a happy life, financial support is needed. The boy must be handsome in terms of earning also. Handsome means it's okay, the boy is handsome. Girl is bothered about the handsomeness of the boy. But parents are bothered about the handsome salary. They look the background of the family, what kind of mentality they have. But girl don't know all these things. Parents know. Their experience helps them to judge. So parents, we are the loved ones of our parents. Whatever they do for our betterment. So they choose a perfect match for us, whether we like it or not. Means our mentality is not up to that extent where we can decide or where we can choose the boy. Are you getting my point? It is really a very big decision and should be taken by experienced person. As you find in the companies, big decisions are taken by management. They are not taken by the workers, because the people who are in the management, they are educated and experienced also. So let the things go to the management, let the things go to the parents. They will themselves decide what is right or wrong for us. Yes, beta. The ball is in your court.
So may I?
In the love court, I think.
So may I?
Yes.
Sir, in ancient time, people were do child marriage. This is not good, and now this time, boys is not adult and not understanding for everything. But the people are pressure to the boy, okay, you get married. But he does not mean to the marriage and mean to responsibilities. And
He has raised a good point, because the rights are important. Earlier, child marriage was being practiced. Child marriage was practiced. Okay, but now it has been eradicated or it has removed from the society. It is a good thing. But don't you find that in some of the communities, I am not targeting any particular community, but if elder brother has got maturity or has got the age of marriage, younger brother is also compelled to get married. You are saying this point. It means elder brother is of 25. It's okay, but the middle one or the youngest one is of 19 or the 18. He does not understand the meaning of marriage. He is also get married due to the pressure of parents. So don't you find that it is wrong? Everybody should have a right to choose. Everybody should have a right to decide. Yes, beta. People of arranged marriage. Yes, traditional people.
I agree with him, but parents choose for their benefit. They don't like to
They do not want to spoil their life.
They do not want to spoil their life. They take decisions of many
many when
They ponder a lot before taking a decision.
they are taking decision, and he asked his son, his youngest son to do you want to get married or not?
Okay, he would like to say that there is a mutual consent. After that boy is insisted. There is a mutual consent, and I would like to tell you, those who do so, they support them, and financial support is also provided until they become mature. What is your opinion?
Sir, my opinion is that both marriages have their own pros and cons.
But today you have to speak in favor of your marriage. Don't be diplomatic. Don't be clever. Okay.
Sir, sometimes in love marriage, if we are to have to spend our whole life with our loving ones, then love marriage is the better. But I think love is blind, and sometimes we make our own choices.
Clap for him. Sometimes it happens. But I need to understand how does it begin. It means if I talk about the beginning of the love story, how does it begin? It means if I talk about my education, it began in college time, but I don't know today it may happen in school also. Okay, it may happen in school also, but it happened that time. It happened in the college. So how does it happen? The boy tries to impress the girl. Are you getting me? Means through various things. Means he purchases new clothes, not for himself, but he wants to impress somebody. Okay. After that, he insists his parents, I want the bike. Okay. This bike is bought to impress a particular subject. Got it? After that, he keeps some money in the pocket for the date also. So you find that what you have observed a rosy picture. A rosy picture. It means you have seen the boy, handsome, macho man. Okay, he has got a bike also. He has got a bike also. And the boy and the pappu has get the word is, and the pappu has dressing sense also. Dressing sense also. Now the girl is completely impressed. Okay. Now girl insists her parents for marriage. So it means nothing has been observed. The boy's capacity has not been observed. The ethics of the boy has also not been checked. How the ethics are checked? When a family meets to another family, they talk to each other, they talk to the family background. So you come to know about the ethics. It means the roots of that family. If the roots are strong, it means your girl will be happy. Suppose how? If the boy is not good, he quarrels with the girl. Parents are there. Parents are there to punish him. Parents are there to fight from the side of the girl, because you are not a girl there. You are the daughter of those parents. You are the daughter of those parents. So how do you want to be accepted yourself? As a girl or as a daughter? In Hindi it is simply said, got it? दूसरा means we have got a daughter. बेटी लेकर के दूसरे घर से. Have you found any difference? I think I have found a difference between these two statements. So it means it is always good to be the daughter than a girl. So it means love marriage begins on the fake platform. Means there is a complete fake platform. The boy creates this platform to hook a girl or to impress the girl. Do you see eye to eye with this or no? Very Mahmood.
Sir, love marriage is not because in such cases the boy impressed and girl impressed boy we married, and after 1 to 2 years we face many problems. After we made many problems to each other. We not.
He has raised a very good point. It means see. Means I have a plan. Today there is an argument, tomorrow a very strong argument, next day there is a domestic violence, many things can happen. So it means these blunders can ruin your life. So you should be with your family. So take care of this. Means marriage, there should be somebody to keep an eye, because it is very difficult to be responsible. Please agree, means please try to understand this. Suppose you come in this institute and sir, what is sir is doing? Sir wants to make you a responsible person. He just want to show you a path. You have to go on this path. We cannot teach you English. Literally I am saying, we cannot teach English. We are just showing you a path. On this path you can go and you will be able to speak English. So your parents are there to show you path. If parents are not there, you will go in wrong direction also. You can go there, and your life can finish. Okay. Yes, beta, you can. Whatever you would like to speak. Would you like to speak anything? Arranged marriage. Okay. There are many cricketers in this world. They started their cricket with century. Do not consider it. This is my first day. Try whatever is striking in your mind. Are striking in your mind? Whatever is coming in your mind. Please try to speak. That boy is waiting anxiously. I should go to him. Huh? Yes. Yes.
I don't support love marriage.
Okay.
Because suppose I.
But your face is saying something else.
Because I get a love marriage support. So you don't have your sister. No. So seriously, this is a. ये सच्चाई है, this is a fact.
This is true. This is true.
हम love marriage कर लेंगे, but
I understand your emotions.
Yes. I don't support love marriage.
Okay, he has raised a very good point. It means you are thinking from the perspective of a boy. Think from the perspective of the parents of a girl, of a guardian of a girl. It means in our society, still we are so much traditional. Still we believe in the ethics. If a girl does so, his family feels bad, or they are considered degraded in the society. They are not considered good person in the society. So girls, you should also take care of this. Your parents have devoted a lot of things to you. Your parents have toiled hard for you, but you have done wrong, and it can bring bad name for them. उनका नाम डुबा सकता है. Bring glory is good. Bring bad name means बदनाम. Okay? It can defame your parents in the society. So take care of this. Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, in love marriage, girl know all the things about boy. Like if boy is having the habit of smoking, the girl knows that he is having the habit of
Nobody
smoking.
so much will smoke that before that.
Sir, but in love marriage, girl knows, so she can see that he is smoking or he is. But in arranged marriage, boy does not show the parents of girl that I smoke or I am drug addict.
There are sources who can suppose you are. We need to understand. First, there is a mediator. In the arranged marriage, there is a mediator, and this mediator is a common person between both the families. It means he knows both the families. Suppose this person knows your family. Apart from your family, he knows many families in that particular area, in that particular village. So, before coming to your house, he will ask something else. There is a boy in your neighborhood named Rahul. Is he a good man? He smokes. And not only smokes, sometimes he takes liquor also. So, means, see this beautiful structure. It means he has got information about you, all information about you. Now he is not going to make a match. If he finds you suitable, then he will say to the family of the girl, I have got a boy, and that boy is really good, he earns handsome. And even I would like to tell you, he knows the financial background of the family, he knows the history of the family. It means he knows the root of the family. It is the best way of getting married. Do you know what happened earlier? The barber used to be the mediator. Why? Because barber knew everything. Barber knew everything about the village. He knew about the financial background of the family. Father also went to the barber. Son also went to the barber. Grandfather also went to the same barber. Okay, so barber talked to everybody. Grandfather is of this thinking, father is of this thinking, and the boy has also good thinking. Now this barber talks to another barber, the barber of that village where girls lived. Then there used to be two mediators. This barber had the all information about boy family and this of the girl family. So it means they exchanged the information, and after exchanging the information, they made matches. Okay, so they became best mediators. Means they used to be the matrimonial sites of old people, or means earlier they used to work as a matrimonial sites, and you find or you will find these marriages were more stable than the marriages of today.
But sir, at that time there were only one or two barbers in the village or town. But now there are many.
That's why we have changed many things. Means earlier boy did not see the girl and
Yes,
girl
sir.
did not see the boy, but today we allow. Why do we allow? Because we know the structure has changed.
But sir, in both marriages the main thing is same, that in love marriage and in also arranged marriage we show our bright face, our good habits, our good things, not the bad side.
No, better we see many things in the marriages.
No, sir.
Right side means what would you like to say?
The good things like boys' personality, not the bad habits of the boys or the girls.
No, but it is, I think somewhere it depends on the income also, it depends on the education of the boy. You find that in some cases boy has got dark complexion, so people